In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust font sizes in your Shopify theme. If your store's text feels too small or too large, Shopify makes it easy to update sizes globally, so headings and body copy look consistent across every page. We'll do all of this right inside your theme editor. First, open your Shopify admin and navigate to Online Store, then Themes. This is where all of your themes live. Locate the theme you want to work on, whether it's your live theme or a draft you're preparing, and click Customize. That opens the theme editor with a live preview on the right and your controls on the left. In the left-hand panel, select Theme Settings. This area controls site-wide styles as opposed to the individual sections above it, which affect only specific parts of a page. Inside Theme Settings, choose Typography. Here you'll see options for your store's type, including separate controls for headings and for body text. Look for the font size scale sliders. These sliders let you adjust the overall scale your theme uses for text. Moving the headings slider will resize titles and subheadings across your site, while the body text slider will adjust paragraphs, product descriptions, and other general copy. Make small changes and watch the preview update in real time. Try switching the preview between desktop and mobile to make sure the new sizes are readable on all devices. A good rule of thumb is to keep body text comfortable to read and let headings stand out without overwhelming the page. If your theme includes section-level font settings, those may layer on top of these global scales, so aim for settings that look balanced in most places. When you're happy with the results, click Save. The Save button is at the top right of the editor. Your changes are stored with this theme. If you're working in a draft theme, the new sizes are saved there and will appear on your storefront when that theme is published. If something doesn't look right after saving, you can reopen the editor, return to typography, and fine-tune the sliders, or use the undo option to step back. One quick note: these sliders scale the sizes defined by your theme. They don't swap the actual fonts. If you want a different typeface later, that option also lives in typography. For now, focus on size, spacing, and legibility so your content is easy to scan and act on. That's it. You've adjusted your Shopify font sizes using the global typography settings, ensuring consistent, readable text